अपघाती मृत्यूच्या भरपायक अर्ज करप्यांचे अर्ज रोखडेच क्लियर करतले अशें येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिनोन सांगले। आग्नेल तंत्रक शिक्षण संकुलांत 12वो रस्तो सुरक्षा सप्तक सुवाळ्याचें उक्तावण केले उपरांत मंत्री माविन उलयतालो।
He also told us very clearly that please clear all the cases. Everyone deserves to be given this particular little solace that we can give. You can't compensate life with money, but some little help, because already it has happened and you need to reach out to those particular people, and that is what we have done.
Whatever cases are remaining, they have already processed each and every case. All are going to be given compensation. They were not being given because they said you have to first apply within 6 months. Then you have to apply within 1 year. Now we have removed all those restrictions. Whichever cases people applied, all are going to get. Within I think 2 weeks I will be clearing all that.